Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, today once again we start the new section, chapter 2, which is section 1. The section name is Poultry Rearing and Management. Here we can understand some topics, which is what is poultry, necessity, problems and prospects. And this is the first part of this section. First, we have to know what is poultry. Poultry is a bird which is reared under the direct supervision of human being, and definitely it will be scientifically. And the example of poultry is chicken, duck, quail, pigeon. This type of bird we can say is a poultry, because everybody we know that this type of bird we rear under the direct supervision of human being in the household area, or might be prepare the household area. What is the necessity of poultry rearing, or what is the importance, or what is the advantage of poultry rearing in our country? First, it's provide the food and fulfill the nutritional value of our human being, because we know this fulfill the nutrient value of human being, like protein, vitamin, everything we can find from the poultry. You can understand that in our country not a single program like wedding reception, then other activities without chicken. We can't think about without chicken any program in our country. Even next is income. What is the income? It increase the income, or it is a source of income, and it is the source of income which is some people earn the money for their continue the lifestyle. So if you sell chicken, or if you farming chicken, duck, poultry, pigeon, so you can earn some money. So this is the another advantage or importance of poultry. Then industry. Nowadays we make different types of product from poultry, like chicken fry, poultry meat, or pigeon meat, quail meat, duck meat, quail egg, pigeon egg. So we need to build the industry with this. For this is the another advantage. Employment. This one create the employment opportunity. Why? Because when you make the industry, lots of people working there. When you make the farm, lots of people working there, and make decrease the jobless people, because the people who have no job, that people working there. Another thing is, you don't need too much education for working in the poultry sector. Remove the poverty. When a person working or establish a farm, that time that person poverty will be eradicated due to this farm. Again, extra income. Sometimes people do some extra income with this poultry. Like if a person or if a housewife rear 2 duck, 2 chicken, that means this 2 duck every day lay egg, this 2 chicken every day lay egg. That means that is the extra income of that person. Then produce organic fertilizer, then biogas. Then we can make biogas with the help of poultry excreta. We can produce organic fertilizer with the help of poultry excreta. then we can make fish meal with the help of poultry excreta. Then industrial product, we can produce industrial product like feather, some byproduct like poultry excreta, then feather. Then in the medicine industry, we can use intestine or meat in the medicine industry as well. And entertain. Why internet? Internet because some people rear pigeon for their only entertainment. This pigeon is very expensive. Some is 10,000 per one pair. One pair is 25,000 only for their own entertainment, nothing else. So this is the importance of or necessity or advantages of poultry rearing. Next point is why the problem of rearing poultry in our country. There are some lots of problem in our country. Some is sometimes it's more costly for farming or rearing the poultry. Lack of enough chicks. Sometimes there is not enough variety of chicken in our country, and not suitable variety of chicken in our country. Sometimes if we think that we bring foreign breed in our country, but that foreign breed is quite cannot survive in our country. That is the main problem of our country. Then lack of vaccine. You cannot find lack of vaccine or lack of proper medicine in our country. For instance, in a region you can find lots of doctor for human being, but you cannot find a doctor or a veterinarian doctor for poultry or livestock. This is very rare in our country. This is the another main problem. Another one is balanced feed, very costly. When you provide balanced feed, that means the feed which you have got 6 nutrient in that food. When you want to buy that food, that is very costly for farmer. That is why the farmer is lack interested to doing the poultry farm. Lack of technical knowledge. Sometimes some people, because in our country maximum farmer is illiterate and uneducated, that is why they are not able to know the technical knowledge. This is the another problem. Lack of training. Sometimes there is some lack of training in our country for rearing the poultry. Lack of getting credit is very complex, because I told you in our country farmer is very illiterate, uneducated, and very sometimes they are very poor. So sometimes they want some credit or loan from the bank or some other place, but that process is very complex. That is why farmer is interested to doing the poultry farm. Then transport problem. Sometimes they don't have proper transport, proper marketing, proper extension. Extension means you have to do the extension process. And then research problem, then poverty, disease, variety problem. Disease. This is the another big problem in our country. I told you previous class, last couple of years ago, like 10 or 12 years ago, 1 decade ago, in our country, one disease is in epidemic condition, which is bird flu. That time, poultry farm sector was demolished due to or destroyed due to this bird flu disease. Because that time that was this epidemic condition, lots of poultry died in that situation. That means in that times, lots of farmers do not after that do not interest. They are not interested to do the poultry farming because of disease. Because when in a farm, when one bird or one chicken is affected by that disease, in that time viral disease, that time they are continuously doing the epidemic situation. This is the main problem in our country. variety problem. Sometimes if you farmer think that they want and the proper variety, they are not able to bring that variety in our country. So this is the problems in our country. Another thing, last point of this lecture is, which is prospects and possibilities. But we have got lots of problem, but beyond this we have got lots of opportunity, lots of possibility and lots of prospects to doing the business poultry rearing in our country. Nowadays government take lots of initiatives to do the poultry farming. They provide, government provide some credit to the farmer, poultry farmer. They provide proper training to the farmer. They provide transport to the farmer. They provide research. They provide suitable variety, medicine, everything. Even in our country, weather and climate is very suitable for poultry farming. Even in our country, some private sector, that means private organization help the poultry farm as well, like a Square, then Chicks and Feed, Eon, this type of private sector as well. They provide training, variety, food, transport, marketing, everything. So in your exam, this is come in for this is for 4 marks question, problems, prospects, and sometimes this one is coming 2 marks questions, and this one is 1 marks question. So make sure this is the first part of chapter 2 section 1, and thank you very much.